Okay. Almost back to the boat.
We're getting close, man. That dock ain't much further.
Everybody be careful. I have no idea what that noise is.
Okay, that doesn't sound right.
Don't worry, we got to work together. And I know we're gonna be okay. Back the way we came. Let's go.
Goddamn town's flooded.
Try sticking to the dry ground.
We can get across on the rooftops.
If this rain keeps up, the boat can come to us.
Oh, I remember passing these lights on the way in.
Everybody ready? Y'all stay close. Game on, baby! Yeah, baby!
Mine.
Come on, people, let's get with it!
This is all going to hell.
We ain't got time for this. Ammo here!
Nice.
Ready? Come on, gotta go.
Does anybody remember the path back?
Hey, there's that truck wreck. We're headed the right way.
Alice! All right, now you done good. All right, let's go.
Oh, shit!
Storm coming!
Oh, come on! Kiss my ass!
Here they come! Run!
They're behind us! Over here! Let's go, let's go!
Incoming!
shit, man. Oh, shit! Get him off me, damn it!
Come on, Ellis. Come on, youngin'. If I can do it, you can do it.
Nick! Charger!
Let's go, people!
Get it off me! I'm down! What?
Never get out of the boat. Never get out of the boat.
Shut up!
Thanks, Ro. Hey, sport. Nice job.
No, that's right. Ellis, you beat their ass good.
Much obliged.
Let's go, people! There's the playground. We're close.
Holy shit! Hey, watch out! What in the hell is that?
Holy shit! What is that? Watch out! now!
Help!
Coach!
Come on, son of a bitch! Help! 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 Whoa, shit!
Damn it!
Holy shit!
Chew on that!
Storm coming!
Nick, let's go, let's go! Rochelle! Alice! Awesome ass, y'all! Keep pouring it on! Hit it!
Oh, ho, 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 ho! Ellis, it's dead.
That's what's up, baby.
Did we all make it? Oh, yes, we did.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Nice.
Finally, a safe house. Come on. Woo! We got up in they shit!